Today, I'll show you how to mark an invoice at paid in Honeybook. This simple guide will walk you through each step to ensure you seamlessly update your records with ease. Whether you're managing multiple clients or just one, marking invoices as paid is a crucial part of keeping your accounts up to date. So let's dive right in. To begin, open Honeybook and navigate to your Projects tab. This is where all your client information is organized, and you'll want to select the specific client whose invoice you need to update. It's important to ensure you're in the right project to avoid any mix-ups, especially if you handle several projects at once. Once you've found the right project, click to open it. Next, you'll need to locate the right file. Head over to the Files tab within the project. This is where all your documents, including contracts and invoices, are stored. Search for the smart file that contains the invoice you want to mark as paid. If you're dealing with multiple documents, you might find it helpful to use any sorting or filtering options Honeybook offers to narrow down your search. Once you've identified the correct smart file, click on it to open. With the invoice open, scroll down to find the payment schedule section. This area is vital as it outlines the payment terms and installments associated with the invoice. It's where you'll be able to view all the details you need about the payments related to this invoice. Take a moment to review the payment schedule and ensure you have the correct installment in mind that you need to mark as paid. Now, here comes the key step. Look for the three dots, also known as the options menu, located next to the specific payment installment you wish to mark as paid. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, simply select the option that says Mark as Paid. Once you do this, Honeybook will update the status of this payment installment, reflecting that it has been paid. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your bookkeeping accurate and up to date. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your invoices and ensure your financial records are always current. Remember, keeping track of paid and unpaid invoices not only helps with cash flow management, but also ensures you maintain a professional relationship with your clients, providing them with the peace of mind that their payments are being tracked and acknowledged correctly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Honeybook's support resources are a great place to start. They offer comprehensive guides and customer support to help you with any additional queries. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your invoice management process in Honeybook. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips. Until next time, happy organizing.